which one concerns us. It concerns you, concerns everybody, because the suffering is on us. All of us, the suffering. Not only those who will give money for election. Now they hear me so. Yes, now go get up because of that. Get up. Go gather more people to tell them the truth. Preach this gospel where they preach to now. Preach to them. Say if we don't get up, make sure say the right people enter. The suffer will double. Now they hear me so. Yes, ma'am. That's what politics is about. But now not to follow. Now to go. Stand with them, hold their hands, say, you must win. Yes. Because when you enter, you go do good. But not allow anybody to go do bad. So now to go join them, hold their hand, not to follow. You take and say this election as my election. God don't talk, say, if we allow the wrong person to enter, the thing where God call him, he call him disaster. Una dey hear me? This one a vision. Una dey hear me? Yes, we don't sit down. They take important matter. They play for Nigeria since. They allow them to destroy our country. Bad politicians. They laugh, they play. We no say, na serious destruction. Then they destroy our lives. On that they go. Until one day, God forbid, everything collapse. So before it collapse, we go make sure, say, we hold them up, collapse. And the only way now to vote the right people. I talk for Bini, I say, the party where my husband did, the party where deputy governor did, these are tried and tested men. As for my own husband, Nami Mariam and Noah. As for my deputy, the reason they call everybody know when they say your brother, because I know in value. People like them, Naimi, I believe in. So if you give them opportunity, then go change this country for good. And then stay for this party. So now the hope we get, say as long as they did this party, with the hope, say, then go help the party to do well. And as Nigeria does so, anybody will enter no do well, you know go come back. The people go vote them out. Nigerians are tired of bad governance. So what I'm talking out of strong conviction and belief. God knows what He won't do for Nigeria. Our prayer and cry now make God deliver Nigeria. Amen. And let God's will be done. Amen. God is just and equitable. He likes faithfulness. You did PDP, God expects you, whether you like PDP or not. Stay there. He will respect you and honor you because of that. Governor them, God tell them, stay for PDP. When PDP start to look for them trouble, God says, stay there. Now here I put you, stay here. Now here I will give you victory. You know, give them victory. So we're going to take this campaign serious. Now about on our lives. God don't allow Nigeria to come to this level where nobody need to preach to another person, say make it get up, go look for a person where he believes say fit save Nigeria and support that person and vote for him. Nigeria and Edo State are the Lord's and the fullness thereof. Edo State government is the Lord's and the fullness that is the reason why Obaseki and Shaibu come back second term. If not, if to say God no deal with these men, then for that finish them. Anybody will get sense for this time where we there for Nigeria, where would they look for the people to rescue? Then go look for the ones where God don't prove say in there with them. Because make I tell you now the truth, and this is now the most important message I want to give you here. This coming election, now our hand today. And that was one of the reasons why I come out. This election is more spiritual than physical. Now they hear me? More spiritual than physical. Life is spiritual. Anything will happen for life, it will happen for heaven, for the realm of the spirit before it manifests. The way where Nigeria dey now, and the things where the wicked people they do, to keep this country down. They're all spiritual. Okay? And it is not a joke. Okay? That is the reason why we must rise up in the realm of the spirits to contend with the wicked powers that want to destroy our country.
When I know say, na campaign, we won't go campaign. They don't inaugurate now. When I go to meet people to campaign to people, abi. So I bet when I just listen so that when I go get enough things, when I go tell them, because these people now lies that they pass everywhere, and their oga na chairman for that business. Today in Edo State, when I know say I've been go House of Assembly, abi, I dey represent this side, Isako West constituency 2. When I was in the House of Assembly for 8 years, I do projects, physical projects, school, market, including that one with the junctions there. Now, no, I do 49 constituency projects. Now I do for 8 years. That one not there for 106 motions and 43 bills where I move. That one not there inside that one. Then I can't go House of Rep. 18 months. 18 months now I spent there. I did another 11 projects in 18 months. Physical project, 18 projects. That one not there for fridge, motorcycle, keke napep, sewing machine, grinding machine, then 250,000 grant to each woman. That one not there inside. As House of Rep member. Abi? Apart from Yekini, for Edo North, my own Isako West constituency 2 and constituency 1. One man tell them, say, men, they no go for swearing in. They follow the man, they no go swearing in. Abi? For these 4 years now, assuming that 49 project divided by 2, no be around 24.5 project, Abi? They just say 24 projects. That means you don't miss 24 projects already. You don't miss 24 projects. That are not for motion and bills. Because of what? One man. We just say, Mona no go for swearing in. Now, this kind of thing will not continue for another 4 years. Who be the governor of Edo State now? As at the time when the election go finish, who still be the governor of Edo State? So that means the man, God forbid they win, the man go still tell them, may they no go the house. Abi? You go lose waiting. You go lose waiting. Another 24 project. But by the grace of God, they no go even smell there. So now they hear so. They no go even smell there. Because that place is not meant for them. That is why they feel commode. Like First Lady talk, this thing deep. This thing is very deep and spiritual. We now need to pray hard and work hard. God don't give us victory. When these political things won't start, First Lady come my house, say, Deputy, you and your brother, we women, we go protest against Una if Una no give us slot. I say slot for eating. He said, we must get somebody for House of Assembly. We must get women for House of Assembly. Now I tell, as First Lady just come out, now I call governor. I say, see what the First Lady tell me. He said, Deputy, we better do am before we run into problem. Governor comes say, Deputy, me, I get 2 rep for Redo. I don't decide, say, I go beg them. May they make one woman. So you, I don't know whether you go, if you know, do your own, First Lady and the woman, they go. Now I say, even me, I get 2 constituency. I go make sure 1, 2, now woman. Now so can they arrange like that, say, any, you know. Today, when I get 4 women. It has never happened. Oh. Now one. Now they always get. Since now we have 4. We have Ego, woman. We have Oredo, 2. We have Esako, 3. We have Esa Northeast, making 4.
2023 election is very important. No more cash on election day. No use because of money vote. After 2020 election, I go round, I do honor, thank you. Not be so? And I remind honor, say, the 5,000 where they give on election day, whether they still they eat the money till that day. Today, the money still there. 2023, they go bring them again. They don't they plan them. They don't they gather the money they keep. They go full on again. They go full on again. Esako Central, I won't give on a message. One person, he come on a local government, he share phone, he share a banana wrapper. And I remember that person, he don't go buy phone again when he want to share on election day. Since 2020, on a see him again. Esako Central, on a day there, on a don't see that man again. He carried bulldozer, he go do dance for road, he dance finish for road. He tied the road. May God not let us see that kind of thing again. So, as mommy don't inaugurate us, so I go come start the business where I sabi do. If you know say you dey here and you not ready for this work where I want work, even these candidates, and they tell them make they ready for me. Who not ready for this kind of work where we want to work? He go give me chance. He give me chance. If they don't select you and you are here, gonna be 119 or so. I am telling myself, say, I don't already win 119 units for a donut.